Right, today I'd like to show you best 3 sites to earn free crypto on autopilot. Yes, this is a really good earning opportunity right now. So if you just want to earn a decent amount of crypto, and you will know how crypto is getting powerful every day. So holding any crypto which is right now very cheap, it will be a boom for you. It will make you double or triple your money in very near future. So why not try that? So this is a really good way to start a living for it's like working for the future. So simply why not try that? So I'm going to show you 3 websites today that is going to give you auto payment to your wallet, and you can earn a decent amount of crypto every month spending some times there. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the first website, which is called autofaucet.dachicorp.space. So dachicorp.space is the website, and their autofaucet is this. So if you just go over to their autofaucet.dachicorp.space, you will be show this page, but you have to be registered. So simply fill in your basic information like name, email, and confirm your email address, and you're good to go to work with dachicorp.space. So simply this is the first website that is going to be awesome. If you just go through this website, and after your registrations, you will get some coins, Dachi coins. So this is called Dachi coins. So after this is a new account, so after I register, I get 100 Dachi coins. So these coins are required for you to get auto payments to your wallet. So simply this is the case here. So this is the first website, and the second website that I'm about to show, this is the second website of mine which I just created for this video, and you can see that this is a really good site to earn a decent amount of crypto every day. So the site address is autofaucet.org. If you just go over to simple form fill up, and you can confirm your email, and you're good to go to start using autofaucet.org. And if you just want to click on free token, you can get more tokens. Then I'm going to interested you is like faucet. So this is the faucet, and this is auto claim. If you just click on auto claim, and this is the page that we are in. So right now that it's showing me that I have like 110 FCT coins. So they are providing FCT tokens, which is required to get auto claims to this auto claims for these cryptos. So this is how it works. So simply all you have to do, just start working. So I'm going to show you later. I'm going to introduce to the third website, which is called firefaucet.win. So this is the third paying websites that you can start working with, and you can just join by simply fill up your name, passwords, and emails, and confirm your email, and you're good to go to start using this firefaucet.win. So this is the website. You just simply go over there, and you can see that I have, after registrations and getting the daily bonus of the day one, I get like 1250 points that are going to be used by the auto claim faucet to give me crypto earnings. So why not try that? So simply we are introducing you these 3 websites that where you can earn a decent amount of crypto without worrying about anything. It's automatic. So simply if you just get some coins, and you can just spend it to auto claim, and it will be automatically mine cryptos and send it to your wallet. So which wallets you going to get paid from them? So we need Faucet Pay. So if you just go over to faucetpay.io, this is the greatest website right now. It's a very popular website right now to get faucet payments. So simply this is faucetpay.io. Just go over to this website, simply sign up with with your basic informations and confirm your mail, you are going to get to this is dashboard. After registration, this is a new account, and you can see I already get payment from Corp already. I'm going to show you more how it works, but simply you can see that this is the dashboard and all the coins that are currently listed here, so we can earn a decent amount of money here. So simply just go over to the first website. I'm going to show you how you can get this going. So I have 100 coins, so I want to get payment to faucet pay. So if I click on the select a payment method, I choose faucet pay mode. So in the select reward multiplier, so in the reward multiplier sections I choose 2x. So simply this is the same sections, and then refresh each 2 minute cost 3 coins. So refresh it, I leave it like default, and then send all selected coins after each refresh. So this is like the default settings out there. So which crypto I want to mine here. So for this video purpose, I think I want Dogecoin and then Litecoin. Just for example, for this video I choose like Litecoin LTC. So Doge and LTC, you can select 5 coins from this list. So this is the way it is. So I choose, for this video purpose, I choose Dogecoin and LTC Litecoin. So simple is that. So it's asking for captcha, so I complete it and hit start auto faucet. Let's see what happens. So it's like working right now. Here you can see the timer is running out, and it's going to get me some Doge or Litecoin hopefully, and let's see whether it goes to my faucet pay accounts or not. So let's move on to the second websites, which is autofaucet.org. I have already 110 FCT tokens here, so I want to get like same. I want to get like Dogecoin and LTC here, so I select Doge and LTC and scroll down. And how do you like to get the payment? So I select faucet pay and choose the frequency. So for this video purpose, I choose 2 minutes. So simply I choose 2 minutes and payment boost. So as like previous one, I choose 2x, and this is what I will get after 2 minutes. So this is for 4 FCT tokens will be cost for 2 minutes of work. So simply like that. So if I hit claim, so it's starting the process, and you can see that here it is, the 2 minutes timer has started, and it will be paid out to my faucet pay account. So let's see whether it gets to my account or not. So this is the third website. It works same, but it's not like auto send it to the faucet account, but still I'm going to try it and let's see what happens. So I want to try same coins, Dogecoins and LTC, and I hit start, and you can see that it started the timer, and it's like paying me within 1 minute. So timer is going to end up. So let's move on to the first website, how it performs. So it's also have 93 seconds left. So if we just go over to the other website, and this timer is running all right. Hopefully they're going to pay me to the faucet pay accounts, but definitely you have to submit. You just simply go over to account and go to the settings, and you have to submit your faucet pay email address when you register with faucet pay, and that email address you have to set in the settings of these 3 auto faucets, so that they can pay you to your faucet pay account. So let's refresh this dashboard. Let's see. Yes, it's getting payments from auto faucet. So this is the auto faucet payments that are getting right now to my autofaucet.org, and you can see that Naidachi Corp faucets payments also getting paid, and you can see that a fire faucet also getting the payment. So if I just go over to my wallet, you can see that I am having some Litecoins. See, I am having some Dogecoin and Litecoins already added to my accounts, and auto faucet payments are getting paid. This is not much, but this is going to be adds up very good in near future if you just keep adding more and more. And right now you can see this is the payments. Dutch Corp is getting me some payments, you can see, and auto faucet is also giving me some coins. This is it, I get payment instantly to my faucet pay accounts from these three faucets. And these payments, when you achieve some when you achieve the minimum balance, and you can withdraw it to your faucet, and it will be instant to withdraw to your faucet. So this is it, guys. This is how you can start earning money without anything, without any problem. So simply just stay with these websites every day, spend some times, and you can earn a decent amount of money. But for the tokens to work, you have to fill some works like short link visits. If you just click on free tokens and hit short links, you can see that these are the shortened links you have to visit, and you will get some coins for that. You can see that for 5-step visit to these short links, you will get 140 FCT tokens. So it's just some 1 minutes of works. You do some, spend some 5 to 10 minutes daily to get some tokens to run the auto faucet for you. So this is the how you can earn a decent amount of money. And crypto is right now dipping, so this is the best way, best time to earn some crypto and hold it. And in very near future, you cannot imagine how good it will be. Crypto is world is like booming, and those holding crypto will make you more money, like $1,000 or even a 6-figure. So simply, if you're liking this method, hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel, stay with my videos. New videos going to be uploaded daily, so see those videos and see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.